Welcome to Auto Turbo Car. The 2026 Ferrari Roma has arrived, and it's more powerful, more refined, and more aggressively elegant than ever before. Ferrari has taken what was already a modern classic and turned it into an absolute masterpiece. The Roma has always been about subtle luxury and daily drive supercar charm. But now, in 2026, it blends that charm with raw, blistering performance and head-turning aggression. Under the hood, the Roma now features a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, a massive shift from the previous twin-turbo V8. This high-revving monster produces a jaw-dropping 765 horsepower and 531 pounds-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of over 215 miles per hour. Ferrari has deliberately dialed up the drama, giving the Roma a soundtrack that screams through the rev range, delivering the kind of emotional punch that no electric drivetrain can match. But the Roma isn't just about speed. Ferrari has completely reworked the chassis for 2026, using lighter aluminum and carbon fiber materials to reduce the overall weight. The car now feels sharper, more agile, and more planted in corners. The new adaptive suspension system reads the road 500 times per second and responds instantly, keeping the ride silky smooth when you're cruising and laser precise when you're attacking a mountain pass. Steering is razor sharp and immediate, giving drivers a feeling of full control at all times. Visually, the 2026 Roma evolves without abandoning its elegant heritage. The silhouette remains clean and sculpted, but now features more aggressive aerodynamic detailing. Up front, the grille has been redesigned for better airflow and cooling, and the slim LED headlights have a more menacing, focused look. Along the sides, air channels and sharp creases add tension and purpose. The rear has also been reworked, with a wider stance, a new active spoiler, and ultra-thin LED taillights that blend seamlessly into the bodywork. The cabin is a blend of classic Ferrari style and cutting-edge tech. Leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum dominate the interior, with meticulous attention to every stitch and surface. The new dual display layout includes a 16-inch digital instrument cluster and an updated central touchscreen that manages everything, from navigation to drive modes. A new AI-powered driving assistant helps guide drivers through traffic, tracks, or twisty roads, learning your habits and preferences as you drive. The driver-centric cockpit layout remains intact, but with improvements in ergonomics and customization. The redesigned steering wheel now integrates more tactile buttons and haptic feedback, giving drivers precise control without distraction. Ferrari has also introduced customizable ambient lighting and a premium audio system tuned specifically for the Roma's cabin acoustics. In terms of practicality, the Roma continues to be one of the most usable Ferraris ever made. There's still a usable trunk, space for small luggage behind the front seats, and it remains quiet and comfortable enough for long-distance grand touring. But now, you get all that with performance that can rival even the most track-focused machines. Ferrari has also embraced sustainability in its own way. The 2026 Roma uses more recyclable materials, and the new V10 is more efficient thanks to advanced fuel injection, cylinder deactivation, and a smart stop-start system. While it's not an EV or hybrid, it delivers better fuel economy than expected. For a car of this caliber, on the road, the Roma feels like a weapon wrapped in silk. It's civilized when you want it to be and vicious when you need it to be. It's not just fast, it's communicative, inspiring, and emotional. Whether you're carving through tight canyon roads or rolling through the city at night, the Roma feels like a work of moving art. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is a spectacular evolution of Ferrari's grand touring philosophy. It's no longer just the gentleman's Ferrari. It's a bold, aggressive, yet elegant machine that shows Ferrari's commitment to emotion, tradition, and performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symphony of engineering, design, and soul. Ferrari hasn't just built a better Roma, they've redefined what it means to be a grand tourer in the modern world.